Hi, thanks for joining me today for this episode of North Point Weekly. I'm David Larimore with North Point Mortgage. Today I want to discuss a loan feature that hasn't been relevant for several years with interest rates as low as they've been. This is the temporary buy-down program, specifically the 2-1 buy-down. We used to do these a lot back in the old days when rates were much higher. One of the benefits of the buy-down program is lower payments. A 2-1 temporary buy-down reduces the rate by 2% in year 1 and 1% in year 2. The rate is fixed for years 3 through 30. The benefit of this buy-down program is it helps more buyers afford homes with higher prices and interest rates as we're facing today. Another benefit is that it helps sellers and builders to avoid price reductions. Rather than reducing a listing price, the seller can offer to pay closing costs in the amount of the buy-down costs, which is typically between 2.25% to 2.5% of the loan amount, depending upon that loan amount. I recently had a situation that worked very well with this buy-down. A buyer had a lower credit score and the rate was going to be 6 7/8%. We were able to help the buyer understand the buy-down program. She was going to put down 15%, but we determined that a better option was to put 10% down and pay 2.5% in points to pay for the buy-down cost. The result was less cash out of pocket and a $600 lower payment in year 1 at 4 7/8%. The payment in year 2 was $400 less at a rate of 5 7/8%. The idea is that rates will probably drop within a year or two as predicted by many economists, so she'll be able to refinance later. In addition, her score will go up and the property value will go up, allowing her to get rid of PMI at time of refinance at a lower rate. In this situation, the buyer was able to stay within her payment budget and keep more money in the bank after closing. When most people think of a buy-down, they think of a permanent buy-down, where the rate is reduced by a small percentage for the life of the loan. With rates where they are now, a temporary buy-down can offer much more of a benefit. This may not work in all situations, but it could be a game changer for many buyers. If you'd like to learn more about how this buy-down program can benefit you and your clients, reach out to a North Point loan officer. Thanks for joining me on North Point Spotlight.